Welcome to this video from Doctor Lock. So we've got another Golf, and what happens is that the key can't come out of the ignition, so the steering lock is just won't turn, won't do anything. So we'll have to take everything apart, fix the ignition lock, and then put it all back together. It's about an hour and a half's job. Okay, so we're just putting this ignition back together. It's been repaired. We've got the key in our hand and we're just going to try it. Perfect, look at that. Turns, comes out. So I'll put this all back together now. Okay, we'll just finish this car. We'll just try it in the lock, unlock. The remote didn't work when I tried before, so I've actually just programmed the remote in. So if you need your ignition fixed, all keys made to a Golf 0413 120 444. Thanks for watching.